2008, where he proudly served to date for over 17 years. Notable cases that history will judge him with: he played a pivotal role in several landmark cases: the 2023 presidential election petition. He was part of the panel. 2013, sorry. Thank you, Your Excellency. He also was a member of the panel that sat on the case Republic versus Bafuboni and others, 2018. His decision was instrumental in shaping judicial perspectives on financial accountability within state institutions. There was also Republic versus High Court, Accra. His expertise in procedural law reinforced jurisdictional boundaries in arbitration cases. He took interest in judicial reforms and leadership. Throughout his tenure as Justice of the High Court, Court of Appeal, and now to the Supreme Court, and very soon to become the Chief Justice of the Republic, Mr. Justice Paul Bafuboni has been a staunch advocate for judicial reform, notably by expediting case resolution, which led to the implementation of measures to reduce case and backlog to enhance court system and efficiency. I must state, Your Excellency, that the most qualified candidate for the position of Chief Justice, as we witness today, is no other person other than Justice Paul Bafuboni. He is qualified to lead Ghana's judiciary. His extensive experience, devoted commitment to reform, and profound understanding of our legal system, as he posited when he appeared before Parliament. He is the ideal person to become the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. Your Excellency, with this short introduction, I wish to warmly welcome His Lordship, Mr. Justice Paul Bafuboni, soon to become the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. Let's give him a round of applause.
Thank you very much, Mr. Musa Ahmed, the Judicial Secretary. Your Excellency, Mr. President, may I now invite the Chief Justice Designate to kindly rise as we invite His Excellency the President to administer three oaths. First, the oath of allegiance, to be followed by a judicial oath and the oath of secrecy. Mr. President, please.
Sorry for that embarrassing incident. Justice prefers to swear by the cross. Somebody didn't make sure that the cross was available. But we carry our Bibles on our phones now, so I'm sure they thought he would swear by his phone Bible. So we'll go ahead. I'll start with the oath of allegiance, and then after that we'll have the judicial oath, and then finally the oath of secrecy. So the oath of allegiance, and you say after me, I,
Paul Bafuboni,
do in the name of the Almighty God swear
do in the name of the Almighty God swear
that I will bear true faith and allegiance
that I will bear true faith and allegiance
to the Republic of Ghana as by law established,
to the Republic of Ghana as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of Ghana,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of Ghana,
and that I will preserve,
and that I will preserve,
protect,
protect,
and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
So help me God.
So help me God.
We'll have the judicial oath. Police officer, you can sit down. You're not part of the swearing in. Don't be mistaken as the new Chief Justice. We go again.
I, Paul Bafuboni,
Having been appointed
having been appointed
as Chief Justice,
as Chief Justice,
do in the name of the Almighty God swear
do in the name of the Almighty God swear
that I'll bear true faith and allegiance
that I will bear true faith and allegiance
to the Republic of Ghana as by law established,
to the Republic of Ghana as by law established,
and that I'll uphold the sovereignty and integrity of the Republic of Ghana,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of the Republic of Ghana,
and that I'll truly and faithfully perform the functions of my office
and that I will truly and faithfully perform the functions of my office
without fear or favor,
without fear or favor,
affection or ill will,
affection or ill will,
and that I will at all times
and that I will at all times
uphold,
uphold,
preserve,
preserve,
protect,
protect,
and defend the Constitution and laws of the Republic of Ghana.
and defend the Constitution and laws of the Republic of Ghana.
So help me God.
So help me God.
We'll take the final oath, which is the oath of secrecy. I,
Paul Bafuboni,
holding the office of the Chief Justice,
holding the office of the Chief Justice,
do in the name of the Almighty God swear
do in the name of the Almighty God swear
that I will not directly or indirectly
that I will not directly or indirectly
communicate or reveal
communicate or reveal
to any person
to any person
any matter that shall be brought under my consideration
any matter that shall be brought under my consideration
or shall come to my knowledge
or shall come to my knowledge
in the discharge of my official
in
duties,
the discharge of my official duties,
except as may be required
except as may be required
for the discharge of my official duties,
for the discharge of my official duties,
or as may be specially permitted by law.
or as may be specially permitted by law.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, please, we will now do the presentation of instrument of appointment. Yes, please. Yeah, we can have the first official photographs now. Thank you very much. Another round of applause, please. We'll now invite the Chief Justice to sign the oath book, please. His Excellency the President will now do us the honors. Thank you very much, Mr. President. On this auspicious occasion, it is my singular honor to invite His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, to deliver his remarks. Shall we please welcome him with a big round of applause, please.
Kindly be seated, kindly be seated. Thank you very much. Your Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, my Lord, the newly sworn in Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana, my Lords, the Justices of the Courts, Honorable Ministers of State, Chiefs and Traditional Leaders, members of the Diplomatic Corps, heads of security services, senior government officials, distinguished guests. Sorry, it says fellow Ghanaians. I want to say something else. My fellow countrymen and women. Today is a solemn and historic moment in the life of our republic. We gather here at the Presidency to witness the investiture of the new Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana, Justice Paul Bafuboni, in accordance with Article 144 of the 1992 Constitution. This ceremony is more than just a symbolic change of guards. It marks a significant milestone, and it reaffirms our collective dedication to constitutionalism, the rule of law, and the independence of the judiciary as an equal branch of government. And so on behalf of the government and people of Ghana, I wish to extend warm congratulations to you, Justice Paul Bafo-Boni, on your appointment and assumption of this distinguished office. The constitutional role of the Chief Justice, that is the office that you assume today, is among the most important under our Constitution. The Chief Justice is not only the head of the judiciary, but he is also the symbol and guarantor of justice for our people. You preside over the Supreme Court, you chair the Judicial Council, and bear the responsibility for administering justice across our country. You will oversee the work of judges and magistrates nationwide, from our busiest urban courts to the most remote districts of our country. Our Constitution enshrines the principle that the courts, as outlined in Article 125, shall administer justice in the name of the Republic of Ghana, guided by the principles of freedom, equality, probity, and accountability. And so as Chief Justice, you are the first guardian of these principles within the judicial arm. Judicial independence and separation of powers. The strength of our democracy depends on a delicate yet essential balance of powers among the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. Each branch is supposed to operate independently, and yet they have to collaborate in order to serve the common good. And so today, as President, I pledge my unwavering commitment to the independence of the judiciary. And I wish to say that an independent judiciary is not a favor to the courts. Worldwide and in our own country have been questioned, scrutinized, and sometimes criticized. Our people want institutions that work, but they also demand institutions that they can trust. The judiciary in particular must be above reproach. One single act of corruption by a judicial officer can undermine years of hard work and erode public confidence in the entire system. My Lord Chief Justice, one of your most urgent tasks is to strengthen integrity within the judiciary. And this includes, firstly, firm but fair disciplinary standards for judges and staff. Secondly, transparent and predictable procedures for case assignment and management. Thirdly, strong internal mechanisms to address allegations of misconduct. And fourth, a culture where ethical conduct is rewarded and wrongdoing is swiftly sanctioned. Our citizens must know and feel that justice in Ghana is not for sale, and that no one, regardless of their power or status, is too powerful or too humble to be held accountable under the law. Justice must not only be fair, it must also be accessible, it must be timely, and it must be affordable. Too many of our fellow citizens still experience justice as something that is distant, that is slow, and financially burdensome. Court adjournments, delays in delivering judgments, and complex procedures can turn our courtrooms into places of frustration rather than places of hope. I therefore urge you, my Lord, in collaboration with the Judicial Council and the Bar, to prioritize the reduction of case backlogs through innovative case management systems. The expansion and modernization of court infrastructure, especially in underserved districts. Also the use of technology, e-filing, virtual hearings where appropriate, and digital recordings to improve efficiency. And also simplified procedures, especially for small claims, family matters, juvenile and labor matters, so that ordinary citizens are not excluded by technicality. As government, we recognize our responsibility to provide adequate resources to support these reforms. We'll work with your office to ensure that the judiciary is adequately equipped to deliver justice in a modern and efficient manner. The Constitution of Ghana guarantees fundamental human rights and freedom of all persons in Ghana. But rights have meaning only when they are effectively protected and enforced. The courts are the last refuge for the vulnerable, the poor, the marginalized, children, persons with disability, and all those who feel powerless in the face of authority or abuse. And so I trust that under your stewardship, the judiciary will deepen the protection of human rights and civil liberties, and that the judiciary will ensure that justice is not tilted in favor of the wealthy or powerful, and that it strengthens specialized courts and divisions where necessary to address issues such as family welfare, land disputes, commercial disputes, environmental protection, and corruption, and to promote alternative dispute resolution mechanisms to complement the formal courts, especially in community and family disputes. Justice must not be an abstract principle confined to law books. It must be seen, felt, and experienced in the daily lives of our people. A modern judiciary demands continuous learning because the law is constantly evolving through new legislation, international obligations, and emerging areas such as cyber law, environmental law, law of the ocean, and complex commercial transactions. I therefore encourage you to strengthen the Judicial Training Institute as a center of excellence for continuing legal education, to promote regular training in ethics, judgment writing, court administration, and the use of technology for our judges and judicial officers, to develop